Edo Commissioner for Roads and Bridges, Engineer Ethan Uzamere, don tok say all roads wey dey under construction by the state government across the state go dey completed before the end of the administration of Governor Godwin Obaseki. Engineer Ethan Uzamere tok this one for the Chechek Waka of the ongoing work for Benin Abraka Road, Ikiran Oke Ikakumo Road, Akigbe Street for Afuze, Mechanic Site Road for Auchi, Secretariat Ugbogbo Road, Igara, and other strategic roads for the state. Ikotok said the governor's desire now to finish well by delivering quality and durable roads across the state.
This is a Benin Abraka Road, one of the legacy projects of His Excellency Mr. Obaseki. Because it connects a lot of communities between all to the border of Delta states. So we are here monitoring and making sure that the contractor meets up to specifications. This road is broken down into 3 phases. So I think the phase 1 and the phase 2 will be completed sometime next year. We are trying to see what we can do to speed up the pace for the phase 3 part of it as well.
Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Roads and Bridges, Engineer Fegosi and Abulele Kontok say the quality of this road go stand the test of time and say economic activities for the communities around this road go experience boost.
It is a legacy project of this administration. His Excellency is very keen on seeing to the completion of this project as awarded in the 3 phases, phase 1A, 1B, and 1C. The progress is okay, although we have also expressed our own concerns, which we have related to the contractors. We want the pace accelerated. We want more gang of equipment and personnel introduced. But although we also know that the rainy season has not been too kind.
The ministry's engineer supervising the 3 phases of the Benin Abraka Road, Engineer Courage Omorogbe Kontok say clearing, excavation for suitable materials, provision of filling sand, hard core, stone base, drains and toe beam retaining wall, binder course and wearing course don already take place for the 3 phases of the road. Ikotok say
Benin Abraka Road consists of 3 phases, phase 1A, 1B and 1C. The 1A and 1B is being handled by Raycon Construction Company. For the 1A, we have achieved a binder course length of about 9.98 kilometers. And the wearing course, we have achieved about 3.58 kilometers. Presently, work is at the shanty area on the 1A, which comprises from 3 plus 715 kilo to 4 plus 418 kilo. We are actually constructing a 2-beam stroke retaining wall on that section of the road to avoid flood water from entering into the road pavement. Because if the flood water goes into the road pavement, the tendency for the road to last will be an issue. So therefore we must protect the road pavement. Then for the 1B, we have achieved a wearing course of over 3.2 kilometers, and the length of the 1B is about 7.5 kilometers, having a width of 10.3 binder course and 7.3 wearing course. Doing the soil stabilization, which you can see from the soil test analysis carried out by the ministry lab, came to a conclusion that there is a need to stabilize the filling material with sharp sand so that we can have a good CBRO value at the end of the day. So as we speak now, work is ongoing, the contractor is working, and we are hoping by latest June we should be out of here. As it's a mandate that we have all promised to deliver, and by God's grace, we are going to achieve that.
Elvis Okoro and other residents wey talk to Tori people come talk say belle sweet dem wella for the construction of the road, and also talk say
at least the road we don dey suffer am for some years now. Since when Obaseki, since when enter, we don dey cry to am make come help us, and truly he don already come. He dey really do the road dey go now. We dey see and say at least as e be before, and now e don better pass before. Business now e move past before, because right now people they see where they park put, they see where no inconvenience of motor again. The place is there open. At least our business they move more than before.
To God be the glory for this wonderful work our Edo State government have come to put in place for us here in Akigbe Street previously, we cannot even use foot to move on this road. But as you can see now, the road is as fast as coming to accomplishments. And I thank the Edo State government, and I also thank the engineers in charge. In fact, the road is as fast as anyone can think about.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Edo State, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.